How to log in to your Outlook account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily log into your Outlook account. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. So, the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser that you usually use, and then on the search bar you're just going to search for Outlook Login and hit enter. You will find this official link from Microsoft, which is Outlook Login. So go ahead and open up this link, and here you can directly click on sign in here, or if you don't see this, you'll find the sign in button on the top right corner. Click on sign in. Now you will be taken to the login portal where you will just have to provide your email address or your Outlook mail, and then click on next. Once you do that, you will be prompted to enter your password, and once you enter your correct password, click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, you can make sure to stay signed in so that it remembers your login info. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to click on no. And once you do that, you will directly be taken to your Outlook mail. So that's how you easily log into your Outlook account. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.